Next in the lineup. What do we have? 6, 12. We have 16 to go.
Yeah.
All right. What are you thinking? Pick a cube, any cube. What's it gonna be?
You pick.
Me? I'm going
Yes.
to close my eyes and move my mouse around, and there we go.
Hey, I want to, next time I'm going to do that.
All right. Tap and hold to unbox the magic.
Yeah.
I can't wait to see when we can do more than go on the block, right? I know they're working on the games and stuff. That's going to be great. Another common Skeletor.
Yeah.
Oh, no, an uncommon. Uncommon.
I'm coming.
Oh, wow. Look at his face.
It's
It's like greenish, yellowish, almost looks like a little goldish. That's cool. Ooh, 394, pretty good pull. This one's called the Vengeance Skeletor. Hey, so let's go back. Let's look at them side by side now, because I'm also really looking forward to the backpack upgrades.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, right. So you see, he's got that purple look, and he's bluer here. And then the yellow and the green, and then also the staff, the head, right? This is all that one color, and this has the two. This looks like it matches his face a little bit more closely with the dark horns. All right.
Yeah.
All right, so it looks we've got a couple of uncommons, right? Wave 2 uncommon, wave 3 a couple of uncommons.
Mm-hmm.
Another, right? An evil-lyn uncommon.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, tri-klops uncommon, Beastman uncommon, Orko uncommon, He-Man. All right, yeah. Once we can organize, I know they're working on it, and at some point we're gonna get this backpack organization so we can say, show me all the uncommons and see what set we have. Show me all of wave 1 and see what set we have. So
Yep, little comment.
it will be easier to track here soon. Very cool. All right. Like those uncommons.
Mm-hmm.
Fun.
Well, they're kind of looks like, his face kind of looks like the one we just got.
A little bit, yeah, yeah. When it's bigger, you get like a little bit more detail in it. But look, this is definitely more green.
Definitely.
Oops. Yeah, see, look at how green that is. So, yep. Definitely different. Cool. All right. 15 to go.